All right. So AHref is a popular tool for marketing, SEO, etc. It is having trouble working with AWS right now. A lot of people are complaining that the can't access AWS. So right now I'm running this test. I just realized my camera's off. Hi, everybody. I'm running this test against schematical.com, which does have AWS's web application firewall turned on. So let's go ahead and I hit this a couple times. And what happens is it's really interesting. Let's go ahead and run this query here. This is CloudWatch Insights. We're looking for the host name and the action that's taken here. So all of my various domains are all stored here. Right now, they're all allowed. And you can see they're mainly schematical.com and so it doesn't get that much traffic. I'd love for it to, but it's a solid allows. And we can even dig in further and find there's this interesting AHref URL it tries to hit. It's in there like a million. For example, this one right here, and you can see it's an allow. They're all allows. They're all allowing. So if I take it a step further and go into CloudWatch here, these are the execution logs. And you can see here that we've got the AHref URL there. And so we're getting, this looks horrible when I try and make it for a short, but we're getting the request. It's going through. It's not being blocked by a WAF. We're getting the request headers there coming in, request after body, and the response before transformation. So, I mean, it is getting a response here. It has a body. It's very fascinating. Now, I'll say this is not totally consistent. I've had it make it through with WAF turned on, and I've hit sites that don't have WAF turned on. 90% of the time it makes it through. So the thing is turning WAF on and off, and my WAF's a joke right now because I was using it to set up a course for O'Reilly's. I've got an on-demand AWS security course coming out on O'Reilly's. Check that out, of course. But it's a joke. I don't even have any real rules. I've just got that one regex rule turned on. That's not an invitation to attack me, by the way, even though it probably will now. But AWS managed rule bot control set, that's not even turned on. It's dirt simple. So I am somewhat perplexed. It looks to me like the response is going through and the errors on AHref side. But it's saying that it's not doing it in a decent amount of time. But I mean, this one's a 404 because it's hitting the AHref. I've also found the robots.txt and etc. Let me know if you want me to do a deeper dive on this. This video has already gone on pretty long for a short, but right now, I think this is on AHref side. Yeah, you can see it going through right there. I could try and diff these. Maybe I'll do that later today, but I got to get this video out. Maybe I'll get to it later today, but I've got things to do. So, but if you're actually interested in having me do a deeper dive, respond to this in whatever form you get and let me know. I can diff this and possibly get you an answer, but the requests are going through. I don't know if this is AWS's side. This may be AHref side. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.